meantime, volunteers from several organizations getting ready to leave Western New York to head to some of those hardest hit areas for the cleanup and recovery efforts down south. 8 Days of Hope, the American Red Cross and the Salvation Army, just a few of the local nonprofits that are deploying teams to Florida, North Carolina, and Georgia. I spoke with leaders today from 8 Days of Hope and the American Red Cross to tell me about their mission and where they stand with needing volunteers.
It's a chance just to remind people that there's still good neighbors out there.
Western New Yorkers coming together to help the millions impacted by Hurricane Helene.
Helene is catastrophic.
Hannah Fletcher is from nonprofit 8 Days of Hope, one of the organizations working locally to rally relief in the wake of this historic storm.
But this has not only caused immense damage where the storm hit immediately, but the aftermath, the flooding, the flash flood, the storm surges, the dams breaking, people trapped.
In response, 8 Days of Hope, which works annually with more than 60,000 volunteers from across the country, sent their mass feeding unit to Perry, Florida to help serve thousands of meals a day. Now it is recruiting volunteers from Western New York to help in Georgia.
Just announced a deployment of our rapid response ministry to Valdosta, Georgia, and we're really excited about this because this is a chance for you to get involved.
Interested volunteers will be deployed from October 2nd until October 14th to help impacted families in Georgia with everything from debris cleanup to laundry. Food and lodging is covered. All you have to do is get to the response site.
It's an amazing experience to be a part of something bigger than yourself.
This is going to be a very costly response for the American Red Cross.
Also already on the ground in Florida, North Carolina, and Georgia, more than 1,400 volunteers from the American Red Cross. Nick Bond is CEO of the Western New York region of the American Red Cross.
You know, right now, as an organization, we have more than 60 of our emergency response vehicles that are on location. Those birds, what they do is they provide mobile feeding.
Included in the immediate response, more than a dozen trained volunteers from Western New York. Bond tells me another deployment of volunteers is expected in coming days as the American Red Cross rallies support for its relief efforts.
We're getting our volunteers and really engaging with them right now to either A, make that ask and see the commitment that they can make. And Jeff, the one thing we want to remember is that this isn't just for the next couple of weeks. You know, we're going to probably be there for months, right? So we need to stagger our response as well.
Expected to be a very long response to this historic storm. Take a look at your screen. Several local organizations really rallying support for those impacted by Hurricane Helene. Here's a few links where any help you can provide would go a long way. I'll also have these for you tonight on our website at WKBW.com.